Alright, so we have got the Oppo Reno 15 Pro Mini in the house, and if mobile photography is your thing, then this is probably the phone you have been curious about. The Reno series has always nailed cameras and design in the mid-range, and with the Reno 15 series, it feels like Oppo is pushing that formula a bit further. Now, before we get into any of that, let's unbox this thing. And a quick one. If you like unboxing videos like these, please hit the subscribe button and drop a like because it really helps us. Alright then, let's start unboxing this box. I've got my knife here. Somehow this feels like the most interesting and the satisfying part. Let's talk about the box a little bit. So it's the classic Oppo box, which is in silver color. A little bit white color is here, and I can see an interesting element here. It's like a ribbon. This might be related to the design of the phone, but that we will know once we have the phone unboxed. Let's unbox this. Let me remove the chip from here and let me remove the lid. We will go step by step. Now, we have the envelope here which has Oppo written on it. We will see what's there inside this envelope here. We have a cover. It's a TPU cover. We will keep this aside. Then we have quick guide. And we have the star of the box, the phone with me. And I can see make your moment is written on the phone, but we will keep it aside. Next up we have a charging brick. A 80 watt SuperVOOC charging brick is with me, and I will keep this also aside. Next we have the charging cable. Yeah, it's a typical white cable that you get usually with the Oppo phones, A to C type charging cable. And last, we have this SIM ejecting tool here. We will keep this also aside. We are done. There's nothing in the box. We will keep everything aside, and now we will talk about the phone and we will unwrap the phone. And like I said, the ribbon thingy on the box was the element that is used on the back of the phone as well. It looks really nice. We have got this in a white color, and let me remove this sticker. I have done that already. And that's how the phone looks. It looks really nice. It's a compact phone, and let's talk a little bit about the design now. So this ribbon element that I can see on the back panel looks really minimal and aesthetic and like really girlish and nice. It has a little bit of shine to it. There is one more color option which is cocoa brown. And it will be interesting to see if that color option also has this ribbon element on it. Moving on to the top left corner, and I can see this square camera module here, and it looks very similar to a very popular phone that I won't name here. Moving on to the sideways, and I can see the power button here, very tactile, the volume rockers and the basics that are given at the bottom. Let me boot the phone and we will talk about the phone further then. Now that it's out of the box, let's talk about the design a little bit more because that's what hits you immediately. First up, the size and weight. The Reno 15 Pro Mini comes in at 187 grams, and this white variant is just 7.99 mm thick. For what Oppo has packed in here, that's really impressive. In the hand, it feels compact, really well balanced. It's one of those phones that just sits naturally in your palm. What actually surprised me is the build quality. This phone feels dense in a good way. There's a solid, almost tank-like feel to it, which you do not usually expect from something this slim. It genuinely feels like it can take some abuse and keep going. And Oppo has gone all in on durability. You get IP66, IP67 and IP69. Dust, rain, splashes, even pressure washes. This thing is built to handle it. Now, let's talk about the display because this is another big highlight. You're looking at a 6.32-inch AMOLED panel, and yes, it looks great. But the real flex here are the bezels. On the sides, they are just 1.6 mm thick, and that is honestly wild. Even a lot of so-called flagships do not manage bezels this slim. And because of that, it looks like all screen from the front. Oppo is claiming a 93.35% screen to body ratio, and just looking at it, I believe them. Well, there's still a lot to test before I lock the final verdict. Real world performance, gaming stability, battery drain, and of course, the cameras. Because let's be real, this is a Reno phone. So yeah, a full review coming soon. Till then, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and of course, I will see you guys in the next one.